Hare Krishna. So we are here at the Kartik Yatra 2025, and this is a very interesting and a very amusing area that we are here. This is called Kids Zone, and we have with us one of the main core members of the Kids Zone committee, His Grace Shridham Prabhu. Hare Krishna, Shridham Prabhu. I'll just quickly take your few minutes. My first question to you is, how many kids have come here for this Kartik Yatra?
We have total kids who are registered are 1,254 kids who are registered for this yatra. On a daily basis for the last 7 days, today is the last day, we have got close to 600 to 700 kids coming every day. So basically if you see a normal school handles 600 kids, so we are actually handling a whole school of number of kids. That's the type of number of kids.
You have that many security members who can handle so many
Yeah,
kids.
so we have various items, we have various tables which takes care of, for example, tattoo making, various games, various bouncy games, and a lot of research, a lot of work had gone for the last almost 3 to 4 months to find the right vendors so they can. So we have a lot of water games, we have a lot of other entertaining games. We have got puppet show. On the first day, we had a magician who came here. He entertained the kids with a lot of magic. So yeah, so a lot of things that happened here.
My next question to you is there any connection? Why do you think there is a need for the Kids Zone, especially in Yatra?
Yeah, so one important thing is that throughout the day, the parents are very much entertained, very interested to go to various holy places, and the kids obviously go. But the evening time where there's lecture time, the kids don't necessarily want to sit to the lecture. So what do? What is it that they look forward to in a yatra? We want that a yatra experience is a happy experience for the kid. So when he thinks about the yatra, he doesn't think about a time where the parents said, shh, keep quiet, sit down, shh, keep quiet, do this. We want our kids to have a very happy experience. That here we had a great time. We have been played for 2 hours. That's the whole idea, to give kids right from the age of 6 to the age of 16. This gives a very good experience so that they will come for 2 hours, just have a great time.
So there are any Krishna conscious games also which make this Kids Zone more interesting and make it more
There
Krishna
are
conscious?
only Krishna conscious games.
There are only Krishna conscious.
So for example, we have Madhu Mangal, and he loves to eat laddu. So the kid will put a laddu in his mouth. So the whole thing is this: the kid will try to put a feather on Krishna's head with a blindfold. So I think everything is Krishna conscious. But of course, not everything is directly Krishna conscious. Some games are naturally, we make them to tug of war. They become strong. They really know how to really play what we call land games. Like that, we have multiple games which like girls that do put tattoos. So there's girls' tattoos and everything like that. So when you see the kids, you can see these kids, they're all very happy. You happy?
Yes, sir.
You loved it?
Yes. It was a very good experience.
Really?
There was an empty ground, so we thought, why not use it? And we used to play pakda pakdi with my friends, ants, lock and key, etc.
So here we have something very different, but something which is very much channelized in Krishna conscious way by training, by guiding, by entertaining, and also enlightening all the kids and making them Krishna conscious.
And so you must also know that for every day we have close to 100 plus volunteers who are available to really serve these 600 plus kids. So 100 different groups of people come every day. 100 people are volunteering. So you see all the adults, and we also have a very strong child protection team who make sure that the children are protected from everything. So it's very structured, very organized. A lot of thought that goes into it.
Maybe. Shridham, thank you so much for your valuable time, and we hope and pray that like these kids, they really get nourished in this wonderful way, and let this be a wonderful channel for them to grow in Krishna consciousness. Thank you so much. Thank you. Great to see you. Hare Krishna.